Hi, Lori Hufford here with Bentley Systems. I'm excited to let you know that our upcoming 2023 ProjectWise Virtual User Conference is scheduled for July 17th and 18th. This two-day event will be jam-packed with valuable information designed specifically to help you get the most out of ProjectWise. We'll cover a wide range of topics with brand new content, and whether you're new to ProjectWise, an experienced ProjectWise user, or an administrator, there's something for you. Sessions will begin each day at 10 a.m. Eastern and conclude around 2 p.m. Eastern. Now, this is a virtual conference, so you can enjoy it from the comfort of your home or office. And while you could watch the content on demand, we strongly encourage you to take advantage of the live question and answer sessions that will be offered in 3 different time zones. Please click on the link in the description to register today. We're looking forward to having you join us for this special event, and be sure to share this information with other ProjectWise users. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.